We're on our way to find what?
Kyrie shop.
Huh?
Kyrie.
Kyrie? The Kyrie shop where nag-sell sila ng... Ano ginasell? Ano nila ba? Ay, buldak. Buldak.
Buldak.
Korean food. Korean foods. Ang mga instant. T-shirt? Why you not telling me, bro? Walking distance daw yun, be. It's walking distance. Bro, look. Oh. Yan. Ooh. Anong ingay? Naka-point 5 na? Oh. Day. There's too many cars over here. Sige, Gar. Okay. Vloggeries. Yan na yung start ng era. We're on our way to Kyrie Cafeteria. Kasi bibili kami ng carbonara. Boda. First time mag-vlog outside. Na ganito ako confident. May stores ba dito, be? It seems like there's no stores. Ate May. Say hi. Vlog. Pati vlog ka ng vlog pag hindi mo napansin. Oh my God. Vlog ko mo. Ating. Hello. Ang cute. Ano si Nika? Ano si Nika? Yes, girl. We're here now. Look. Wow. What the maze is that? Oh, aray. Okay na. I'm going to buy a stick. Kasi palagi lang ako nangihingi ka Ate Claire ng stick and I really need it. So, yeah. Oh! Nag-away po sila sa Candias. So po.
Sa Wapo and the brothers.
Hello guys. Nandito po kami ng Kyrie Cafeteria. Yeah. Ah! It's cafeteria, mama! Cafeteria.
Agad kanina, agad cafeteria ang sigitan.
Cafeteria dahil correction, no? Cafeteria. Cafeteria. Nabudol.
Chichi na butol.
Kaming duha. Opo. Yes. Ayo.
Ano binili niya?
Ahahaha. We're here. Hi guys. Sabo a shake. Kasi nga, I want to fix hair. Tama ba? Fix hair? Ay, mangawat kag candy kay Nika. Ha? Pero na, yeah.
Pagka ito, makakita lagi Claire, mag-wild ko ba?
There. Gummy bear. Gummy bear.
Nag-vlog ko. What's up?
Oy, nana ko diri, Makita na ko yung uniform. Ay, look ko, Sarangani,
Abi na ko si Kuya na. Wala na.
So, hi everyone. Nandito kami sa kondo nila Ate May. Because nagpasama si Ate May sa amin. And slash, gumala na lang din kami here. Gumala? Hindi kami gumala. Gumala ba yun? Basta, we're just here visiting. Then we'll come later. We'll come later. And prove I'm right. Sige, asa na lang daw.
Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so much. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me, little sucker. Please, please, please.
Going home. We're on our way home. I was joking and stuff pero hindi pala naka-video be. But again and again, what I'm going to do right now is may cold water ako dito with ice. Then I'm going to, you know, what do you call that? Dip my face in this. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Sisipunin to sa mga pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko. And of course, since ginamit ko yung ice namin, I need to refill it. And I'm going to refill my tumbler. Yeah. Pero don't worry, may bagong friends na siya. I'm going to put moisturizer. Moisturizer. Dili moisturizer. It's moisturizer. Arte. Gonna end my vlog yesterday. So, gonna end it here. Bye everybody. See you next. See you next. Thank you next. See you in my next video. Bye bye.